Equipments used in TPP: boiler, turbine, alternator, air-cooled condenser or ACC, PA fan primary air fan, SA fan secondary air fan, induced draft fan or ID fan, BFP boiler feed pump, ejector, LP heater, HP heater, superheater, economizer, air preheater, reheater, ESP, and coal and ash handling equipment. These are the major equipments used in thermal power plant. साइकिल्स ऑफ थर्मल पावर प्लांट, 4 तरीके की साइकिल्स यूज हो रही हैं इसमें। कोल एंड ऐश हैंडलिंग साइकिल, जहाँ पर कोल और ऐश की हैंडलिंग होती है। स्टीम और फीड वाटर साइकिल, एयर एंड फ्लू गैसेस साइकिल और कूलिंग वाटर की साइकिल। ये 4 तरीके की साइकिल्स हैं जो थर्मल पावर प्लांट में यूज होती हैं। बॉयलर्स, मेन फोकस हमारा व्हाट इज बॉयलर्स। Boiler is a closed vessel which is used for steam generation for specific purpose and capacity is more than 22.75 liters. एक closed vessel है जिसे हम steam generation के लिए specific purpose के लिए use करते हैं, जिसकी capacity more than 22.75 liters होती है। Mountings of boilers. Boiler mountings are those which are necessary as per regulations. Safety valve, drum valve indicator, pressure indicator, fusible plug, main steam stop valve, etc. Accessories of boilers. Boiler accessories are that which increases the efficiency of boiler. Accessories क्या क्या है? Economizer, superheater, air preheater और heat pump. Types of boilers. PF boiler, AFBC boiler, CFBC boiler, PFBC boiler, stoker fired boilers को हम डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे। बेसिक्स ऑफ फ्लूइडाइजेशन. इन अ फ्लूइडाइज्ड बेड, द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ बेड मटेरियल्स अटेन ऑल द अबव प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द फ्लूइड्स. कंसिडर अ पार्टिकल ऑफ बेड मटेरियल इन अ नॉन फ्लूइडाइज्ड स्टेट. अगर नॉन फ्लूइडाइज्ड स्टेट में कोई पार्टिकल है बेड पे, इट एक्सर्ट्स अ डाउनवर्ड फोर्स इक्वल टू इट्स वेट एंड हेंस कैनॉट मूव. If a stream of air is allowed to flow below this particle, it experiences the upward drag force equal to the pressure of air into its cross-section area. If we go on increasing the air pressure, a time will come when the drag force balances the weight of the particle and it will come in weightless condition, and now it is free to move anywhere inside the bed without any additional energy. ये कब हो रहा है? जब हम इसमें additional air downwards से apply करना चालू करते हैं. Now the bed attains all the properties of a fluid and experiences a very high turbulence and mixes, और इसे हम कहते हैं fluidization. This indicates that fluidization system is highly sensitive to particle weight size. Every system has a unique fluidization velocity and the performance changes with the changes in particle size. Principle of fluidization. Evenly distributed air is passed upwards through a finely divided bed of sand supported on a fine mesh. The particles are undistributed at low velocity. और जैसे जैसे हम velocity को increase करते हैं तो एक stage ऐसी आती है जहाँ पर individual particles जो हैं air stream में suspended रहते हैं, वो float करने लगते हैं. Further, increase in velocity gives rise to bubble formation, vigorous turbulence and rapid mixing. ये है fluidization. The bed of the solid particles exhibits the properties of a boiling liquid. This state is called to be fluidized. Combustion takes place at around 850 to 950 degrees centigrade. Circulating fluidized bed. With higher the air velocities, the bed particles leave the combustion with the flue gases so that the solids recirculation is necessary to maintain circulating fluidized bed. Therefore, maximum slip velocity between the solids and the gas can be achieved, resulting in good heat transfer and contact time with the limestone for sulfur dioxide removal. CFBC. The particles are suspended in the stream of upward flowing air which enters the bottom of the furnace through air distribution nozzles. The balance of the combustion air is admitted above the bottom of the furnace as secondary air. While combustion takes place at 850 to 900 degrees centigrade, The bed material are elutriated top of the furnace with flue gases velocity of 4 to 6 meter per second. This combustion is called as CFDC or circulating fluidized bed. There are no steam generations tube immersed in the bed. Generation and superheating of the steam takes place in the convection section, water walls and the exit of the riser. These are more economical as compared to AFPC boilers for industrial applications. Performance of CFDC. The temperature of about 870 degrees centigrade is reasonably constant throughout the process because of the high turbulence and circulation of solids. The low combustion temperature also results in minimal NOx formation. Sulfur present in the fuel is retained in the circulating solids in the form of calcium sulfate is removed in the solid form. The use of limestone or dolomite sorbents allows a high sulfur retention rate, and limestone requirements have been demonstrated to be substantially less than with bubbling bed combustion. It has high combustion efficiency. It has better turn down ratio than bubbling bed systems. Advantages of CFDC: high efficiency, reduction in boiler size, fuel flexibility, pollution control, low corrosion and erosion, no clinker formation, less excess air, no slagging in the furnace. Safety. Operating personnel are conversant with the boiler and associated equipment operation. Availability of मैनुअल्स होने चाहिए, सेफ्टी प्रोसीजर्स होने चाहिए और फील्ड सेफ्टी का भी हमें इंश्योर करना चाहिए. हाउस कीपिंग बेटर होनी चाहिए. मैंडेटरी यूज़ ऑफ सेफ्टी पीपीज होने चाहिए, पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट्स, और इंश्योर करें कि अच्छे से लाइट हो, इल्यूमिनेशन हो वर्क प्लेस पे, और एरिया जो हो वो क्लीन हो. सेफ्टी चेक पॉइंट प्रायर द startup. Entire hot air ducts, flues and piping are insulated properly. Box up the unit after through the inspection of the internals. Internals के inspection के बाद box up अच्छे से हो जाना चाहिए. Access doors को अच्छे से secure करना चाहिए और देख लेना चाहिए कि कोई भी gags और blinds वहाँ से remove कर दिए हैं. This is circulating fluidized bed boiler. Boiler efficiency. Quantity of steam generated per hour, quantity of fuel used, the working pressure, temperature of feed water, type of fuel और and the gross calorific value of the fuel, इन सब से boiler efficiency depend करती है इन सब पे. Boiler efficiency is heat output upon heat input into 1000. Plant performance. Overall plant fuel rate is fuel consumption divided by power output. Thank you.